oh my god. My mom showed me how to cook chile rojo with meat and potatoes. She used a different It's 111 degrees today. So what it is, guys, bhfyp Adventures here. Today I want to show you, oh my god, I want to show you how freaking good this came out. Chef kiss. So I decided to cook today chile rojo with potatoes, green olives, and white rice. Yes, sir. So I got home with the groceries and started getting them ready. Then I put the rice in a pan and put some water to start cooking it. I started cutting the ribeye in big chunks. Then I put the meat in the pan and start cooking it. I like to put the seasoning before I start cooking, so it will get a real good flavor. I seal the meat and make it crunchy and get it ready. Then I throw the red potatoes, which I love them. Then I put the green olives to give it more flavor. Next, I throw the tomato paste to give it color and consistency. Here comes the red sauce, which is really tasty. Then I cover the pan with the meat and potatoes so it can cook quickly. In the meantime, while that's cooking, I throw some raw tortillas to cook. So delicious. It goes with the food. Now it's time to serve your plate and enjoy this deliciousness. I guarantee you, if you cook it in your house, you will love it and your family. Thanks for watching this video. Enjoy it, like and share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, keep dreaming because dreams comes true. Have a great day.